We were used to a set of RMGIs and composites few years back. According to us, that was the thing. But now, this kind of, I can use it in any class, bless you. This, I can use it in any class of restoration, no stopping. Class 1, 2, 3, 5, even 4, and as I said, even direct veneers, which is not actually indicated, but it works superb. So, and with the added advantage of this material, first of all, the direct chemical integration with the tooth. So I'm really not depending on the bonding agent completely. But of course, if I use the irons are definitely going through, no doubts about it. So all in all, this gives me a complete fulsome thing, what my tooth is made of and what I'm giving it back. It absorbs stress because of the rubberized resin. It's got so many advantages above all the other conventional materials which we have today. So why not?